What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit placement settings in Facebook. So first off, you need to head over to Facebook Ads Manager, or you can do it through Facebook. When you come to the Facebook after logging in or signing up your ID of Facebook, on the right side you will see this menu icon. Click on this and then click on this ads section, and this will open the Facebook Ads Manager. Now, after opening the Facebook Ads Manager, you need to choose from what campaign you want to edit. And when you choose it, you will see the option of edit. Click on this and a new window of edit will open. From here, click on Add Set Sales, New Sales Ad Set. And from here, scroll down until you find the placement section. And when you find the placement section, here you just click on show more settings, and from here you can edit all your placement settings. So this is how you can edit your placement settings in Facebook. And that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.